guys, you're wondering why you get actually pimples, why you're using these things. So why you get the pimples after threading the eyebrows, or after, for example, waxing them, or by threading them. You should supposed to then stick with me. I would like to explain it to you. So hi guys, my name is Dr. Liv Kraemer. I'm a board certified dermatologist, and right now in my clinic, I love the ceiling, by the way, Old Town Zurich, it's really beautiful. Okay, so let me explain why you get these pimples and why waxing, why threading, why pulling out your hair. Okay, the best way is actually how it works, and the best way is to explain it while drawing. So every time my patients are coming to my office, I like to draw because it's much easier to understand things if you actually make them visualizing. And as you guys maybe know me in my explanation, I like to draw pictures and make parallel words to the skin because it's much easier. Okay, so actually, I always tell my patients, you're the master of disaster by yourself. What does it mean? So you're responsible for most of the problems you have. So let me explain. So your skin is, let me throw it. It's like a Chinese wall. You have like a wall, like the mortar between the bricks between the mortar, a couple of layers one over the others. I hope you see it. This is the top, this is the lower part. So on top, everything is well sealed. Everything is floating, but nothing goes in, nothing goes out. Fantastic, stable, super. Unfortunately, just something can go inside if something is coming out, and this indeed is happening when a hair bulk is coming out, right? So it's a little bit like a flower through the baton. There is a gap. So this is the hair you want to actually pull out. So if you're pulling it out, you take this, these guys, I don't know the English name for it, and whoosh, or with wax, you're gluing this on and whoosh, or you're threading it and removing it. So what's happening if you're removing it, let me draw it the same way. So suddenly the cobblestone, chaka chaka chaka, and suddenly there is a gap. Here we go, a huge gap because the hair is pulled out. So what's happening if this is pulled out? Unfortunately, you have bacterial on top. Right? And these bacteria, they can't go inside here, but as soon as you pull it out, they make party. They really go inside in the sebaceous gland and make party there. This is what you don't want, right? You want to kill these guys because these guys are making you the pimples. Because if they're going inside in the sebaceous gland, they make big party and then what you know as a pimple. So therefore, before you actually taking out the hair out of somewhere, so before you taking it out, try to kill the bacteria. Ideally, just disinfect it. Very easy. Go in the pharmacy, buy some disinfectant, disinfect them, kill the bacteria. No bacterial, no party in the depth, no pimples after threading. So what does it mean is, don't do it like me if I have like a little bit eyeshadow on it. Normally I don't have makeup, just my lipstick and my eyeshadows. So never do this. So try really to move everything on top, right? Clean your face first, washing it, drying it, disinfecting it nicely, and then remove all the hair you don't want. Because if you remove them there, you disinfect it well, there will be no bacteria. And afterwards, try also to disinfect it afterwards, and don't put a fatty cream on top. Just imagine there's a fatty cream on top. What's happening? The guys there make a big party under this heavy cream. So really, you want to avoid it. After pulling out your hair, remove the bacteria by disinfecting nicely before and after it. Okay, I hope. Yes, it is this easy as described, so I hope I gave you some tips. Thank you for listening. Thank you that you stayed just with me in my clinic because I'm waiting for a patient, honestly. She is kind of late. So I said, okay, let's put it out because I haven't talked to you guys for a while. I hope you like it. Give me a thumb up if you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channels. Give me some suggestions. And thank you so much for all your comments. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.